Hello guys, what's up? For today's vlog, Ponder and Post, guys, it's very important to acknowledge the power of our internal voice and the impact it has on our daily lives. You know, the energy can vary greatly, swinging between positivity and negativity. Guys, for me, staying positive comes naturally, while I observe to others may struggle with more critical inner dialogue. For me, building a healthy relationship with our internal voice require a self-awareness and intentional efforts. Guys, I am practicing mindfulness and positive affirmation and self-compassion can help me to shift the tone of my internal dialogue towards a more supportive and empowering one. Guys, by cultivating the mindset of kindness and understanding toward myself, I can create a more nurturing and uplifting inner voice that guides me with the encouragement rather than criticism. Thank you guys for watching and listening for my mini vlog for today. Ponder and post. See you again guys for my vlog. Bye!